Hello friends, continuing with foreign exchange, now we shall do exports. Export credit. Export credit is of two types. One is pre-shipment credit or packing credit. Pre-shipment or packing credit. Second is post-shipment credit. Pre-shipment credit is used to manufacture the goods and shipment of the goods. To manufacture and then make the shipment, pre-shipment credit is required. Post-shipment credit is used to realize the sale proceeds by purchase or discount of foreign currency export bills or negotiation of bills under LC. Post-shipment credit is given for realization of sale proceeds, and it is given by purchase or by discount of foreign currency bills or negotiation of bills under LC or permitting advance against bills under collection. First of all, we are going to discuss pre-shipment credit. This loan is given to those exports which fulfill certain conditions. Let us see what those conditions are. The exporter is having Import-Export Code Number IEC number issued by Director General Foreign Trade. Exporter has IEC number, Importer-Exporter Code Number, which is issued by DGFT, Director General Foreign Trade. He is not on caution list or blacklist. He has some export order. So if these three conditions are satisfied, export loan can be given to that particular exporter. Period for which this loan is given. It is at discretion of the bank. The period at discretion of the bank with reference to date of shipment. If shipment is to be made within 15 days, period will be 15 days only. If it is to be made within 2 months, it can be up to 2 months also. Concessional rate of interest period. For pre-shipment loans, concessional interest rate is charged, but that is not for unlimited period. It is maximum for 270 days. Concessional rate of interest period maximum 270 days. Amount of pre-shipment loan. It is need based and it is linked to free on board value, FOB value, free on board value. That is the cost involved in putting the goods on board of the ship. So till loading of the goods, the cost involved till loading of the goods. Type of account in pre-shipment. Normally it is a demand loan. A demand loan. But for good exporters or 100% export oriented units or special economic zone units or electronic processing zone units, a running account facility can be given. A running account facility like overdraft, like cash credit. But running account facility cannot be allowed for sub-suppliers. Adjustment of pre-shipment loan, how does it take place?